Okay, as you guys see by the title of this video, we are gonna ramp some stuff because me and my brother love ramping stuff. So we love everything about BMX. Me and my brother's been a really big fan of BMX, motocross since we were little. And I mean little. We like ramping that little hill, that little ramp that we made, and then we're just gonna see how good to ramp that hill right there.
We're not ramping it, we're just gonna see whoever we're not ramping it, we're just gonna see whoever can drive it off the fastest.
Well, yeah. But here's the problem. It is pitch black outside. The only thing that how you guys see this light is from the street lights. Now, we ain't no experts or anything, so I think we should tape a little bit of flashlights on our bikes and then start ramping. But rather than that, you guys are gonna have to wait till morning, which would probably be in 5 seconds for you guys, but let's see, it would be about
5 minutes. 10 minutes.
About a couple hours for us until it will be daylight. So I really don't want to wait that long. Do you want to wait that long?
No, so we're gonna put the freaking flashlights on right now.
So we're gonna put the flashlights on our bikes
right now.
Okay, I'm sorry. I did not introduce myself, or I did not introduce my little
My name is Tanner Ashlock. His name is Kobe Ashlock. We have another brother whose name is Hagen Ashlock.
Yeah, and
we're the Ashlock family.
And it is what? I don't know what time it is. It's probably almost 7 o'clock at night. So we're gonna ramp our bikes, do some stunts or whatever you want to call it. We're not gonna try to make it an hour-long video, 30 minutes, 20, 10, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. But I swear to God, it's probably gonna be worth your time watching this. So if you'll take about 15 to 20 minutes out of your day watching this, I'll be thankful. I would like to get 100 subscribers on this. Guys, just 100. 100. Just keep in mind. Yeah, it's not that much. This is our first video that we've ever put on YouTube.
Well, I had a video, but it was retarded, so.
It was kind of dumb, so.
If you guys want to look that up, it's retarded kid.
So, he's going to hold this phone while I do that little ramp right there. No. So, hold on to that.
Is it facing me? Okay, guys. Oh, crap, Kobe! I'm showing them my food.
Wait.
I just said something retarded.
If you guys want to see your bikes,
Right there.
here's our bikes.
This one's Kobe's.
This one's mine.
This one's mine.
As you guys can see, where's your brakes?
We don't got brakes.
We don't have brakes because we are daredevils, not trained daredevils.
Look at our brakes, Jack. Come on, brakes.
Yeah, we've had no brakes since we were little, so I can maintain it. So,
if you want another trick, if your bikes don't have brakes, put your foot on the back tire like this and finish this. It'll work really good.
but I would highly recommend for you guys to have brakes.
But
Please do not try any of the stupid stuff you see in these videos. Please don't. I do not want to be sued.
And here you go. You're gonna hold the camera while I do a jump.
I thought you... No. You hold it while I do it. You guys are probably thinking,
Oh, who's gonna be better?
probably him, but...
Yeah.
You know, I don't really care.
As long as we have fun and
He's gonna follow me. And I'm sorry if I don't get no air. I suck at rapping.
Kobe, do I follow you?
Yeah.
But how am I supposed to follow you and show you how you jump and you don't get no air?
Just run behind me.
Okay, I'm just gonna drop off my bike up by the pop machine and run. And if you guys want to know where we live, it's and if you guys don't know where we live in Toronto. We live in Toronto, Kansas, and our address is. What's our address? I already told him that we live in Toronto, Kansas.
Our address is
102
102
East Main,
East Main.
in Main Street. So, if you guys want to know where we live, that's where we live. And I'm gonna follow this kid. So, run, Kobe. Oh, Kobe,
Can you shine the flashlight for me?
I'll shine it on the ramp.
You gotta go before me. Just go up to the ramp.
Okay, we're gonna go up the ramp, and he has really horrible jumpy in the skills, but my jumps. Ready? Okay, this is our little tiny ramp.
No!
No air at all. Like you. My turn. Get off that bike. Here's the flashlight. Here's the camera. Let's throw, baby.
Let's go. Okay. These are my wonderful dogs. Bob and Mossy. This is Mossy girl. This is Bobby boy. Bob's about... Come on, guys. What? Huh? Okay. Mossy, Bob, come on, guys. Come on. Come on, girl. Mossy, come on. You're good. Go. Nowhere. Oh! You got air. See, this is our ramp. It's made out of solid ash and dirt. So, thank you for watching. Peace out. Till next time, stay tuned to our channel. And always be awesome. See you tomorrow.